Hey, it's meteorologist Kaiti Blake. This is your Encore Weather Current video update for Wednesday, July 30th. More triple-digit heat on the way today and Thursday, but by Friday we'll start to see some changes work into the forecast. There will be a cool front moving into the state Friday. This will bring with it chances of rain into the upcoming weekend, but it also takes the triple-digit heat away for a few days. We're going to get a break from that this weekend, and that is certainly welcome this time of year. So far this summer, there are some spots across Texas, including Waco and Tyler, that have not seen a day with a high temperature of 100 degrees or higher. It was just yesterday, Tuesday, July 29th, that DFW saw its first 100-degree day of the summer. Now, on average, through this point in the summer, places like Waco see around 10 to 11 triple-digit days, and again, none so far this summer. I know no one's really complaining about that. I'm sure we'll rack up at least a few triple-digit days in Central Texas before the summer is up, but we have really managed to evade the intense summertime heat so far this year. Now, there is a heat advisory in place today, so don't let your guard down. This is again in effect for North and East Texas, and this is where we could have some heat index values max out up to about 110 during the hottest part of the day. When the heat index is that high, and keep in mind that's where we factor in the temperature and also the humidity. When the heat index is that high, it's really difficult for our bodies to efficiently cool themselves down, get that sweat to evaporate. So if you'll be spending a lot of time outside, working outside, remember to stay hydrated and take frequent breaks in the shade. These are your air temperatures this afternoon, widespread upper 90s and triple digits. We basically do the same thing again on Thursday. So triple digit heat continues for a lot of us into Thursday. But then on Friday, notice not as many triple digits on the board. I do think there could be a few spots that pop up to near 100 degrees Friday afternoon, but some places, especially along the Red River, could be in the low to mid 90s Friday afternoon thanks to a cool front that will be moving into the state on Friday. This will not only help us out with temperatures over the weekend, but it brings in some rain chances Friday into Saturday. So we're talking scattered showers and non-severe thunderstorms Friday afternoon and Friday evening, primarily across North Texas. And then on Saturday, this frontal boundary is going to kind of stall out, wash out over East, Central, and West Texas, and that will help to trigger some more scattered showers and non-severe thunderstorms as we get into Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. No severe weather is expected, but any storms could have lightning, so remember, if you hear thunder, move everyone indoors right away. Potential rainfall through the end of the day on Saturday. Most places probably a 1/10 to a 1/4 inch of rain. It's possible if you're under a really heavy downpour, you could pick up a little bit more rain than that, but I think generally a 1/10 to a 1/4 inch of rain is a pretty safe bet for these scattered thunder showers that will begin Friday and continue into Saturday. An isolated thunderstorm is not out of the question Sunday as well. Check out your high temperatures this weekend. Thanks to that front and the added rain chances, we'll get away from the triple digits for a few days, but it does look like we'll heat right back up as we get into early next week.